Let's start off by going to File, Automate, Batch, and then we're going to look for the action we want to work with. And once we've got it going, we're going to select the source. So the source is going to be a folder, and now we're going to choose our folder. And once we go through, we're going to just leave those alone. And okay, so here's where things did not work out for me. I tried to make this kind of save and close on its own. I'm going to shortly learn that this is not going to work. So I ran this, and in trying to save time and have it save and close, I know I have done it in the past, but I couldn't remember how. So what I ended up seeing was that these images were getting worked on, but they were not saving what I had placed on them. So basically, the action was not saved at all. When I went in to go look at them, there was no modifications done. So the date did not modify. The images did not have the action run on them, which is honestly one of the main things that kind of told me that this wasn't working. Besides, obviously nothing is happening. So make sure that you do not check that. And what I ended up doing was just letting it run through without the saved as, and I just left them open on my Photoshop. And then I used another batch automate and run of a action that just said flatten and save. So I mean, at the end of the day, I wasn't sitting at my computer waiting for these things to load and unload, and I wasn't checking them off. So ultimately, that's exactly what I wanted it to happen. I wanted this to be kind of seamless. As you can see here, I just left that alone and then destination none. So it's just going to leave it in Photoshop. They are going to open, and it does take a little time because it is using a lot of memory on your computer right now, or space, and leaving all these images open. It wasn't the greatest, but I mean, I got the job done. So I hope you learned something new, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.